They are the 1950 vintage. They ran on the Pennsylvania Railroad at one time as sleepers. After they had about 1 million miles on them and the Pennsylvania Railroad went out of business, the state of Maryland bought these coaches, converted them into commuter coaches, which they are today, updated them with modern electric heating and cooling. These cars ran either out of Baltimore, Maryland, or Washington, D.C. Our big car on the Millhart train actually ran on auto train for Amtrak between Virginia and Florida. The locomotives are called Elcos. They were made in Montreal, Canada, under designs of Elko from Schenectady, New York. In a moment, we'll be coming up to the home of the Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railroad, which is Fitzwater.
Fitzwater?
This used to be a county maintenance area. About 1995, the park system bought this land and built a maintenance facility for us. Before that, everything was done outside. The large gray building in the southwest corner is our maintenance facility where we can put in 4 locomotives or 2 coaches at one time.
You can relive this on YouTube. Clouds are pretty. See the clouds. Looks like it had a fire. That'll enjoy it. He needs to come on there sometime.
Did they come when he comes?
Yeah, I could try.
Wait, is he? Yeah.
As we get down to the south end of the yard, if you glanced over to the east, you would see a nice view of the Cuyahoga River. The Indians call it Crooked River, which it definitely is. We took our train from Rockside Road to Akron, 45 miles.
It's an Indian there.
But if you took that river and paddled it, you would do 35 to 40 as it twists and turns. Some of the animals we have in the valley. We have a very high deer population. We should have about 25 per square mile. We're looking at 50 to 75. Our engineer in the valley is the beaver. We'll be going by some active and inactive beaver ponds today. Some of the birds we have in the valley, our largest bird is the wild turkey. Most numerous is the Canada goose. And one of our beautiful birds is the blue heron. The blue heron are migratory, but they are, some of them are still here, so keep an eye out.
Really big turkeys. Wow.
For the blue heron.
Yeah. Across the street from my house.
In about 2 miles on the west side, we'll come up to a swampy area. And way up on the top of the trees,
yeah, this is neat. On the
there's the nest for the blue heron. This is the second largest rookery in the park system. And right in the middle of that rookery is a larger nest, and that's where our bald
look at the top of the tree.
Bald eagle family was this spring. That pond we just went by, or it was going by, is called Fawn Pond. It was an active beaver pond at one time. Just the beaver moved on. Today we see fishermen there during the summertime. They have to walk close to a third of a mile to get over there to fish.